How to download Fifth Third Bank mobile app. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet before continuing. Next, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen and type Fifth Third 53 Mobile Banking. Be careful with the spelling and make sure you are selecting the official app published by Fifth Third Bank. It should have the recognizable blue and white logo with the number 5/3. Once you find the correct app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Here you can view additional details like user ratings, reviews, and app features. Now, tap the install button. The download will begin immediately, and once it's completed, the app will automatically install on your device. After the installation is finished, you will see an open button. Tap on it to launch the app. You can now start using the Fifth Third Bank app to check your balance, transfer money, and manage your accounts on the go. In my case, the app is not available in my region, so keep in mind that availability may vary based on location. And that's it. Now you know how to download Fifth Third Bank mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.